Hello there. The weather is cold. You don't need me to tell you that, but it's cold not just here, but right the way across Europe. We're locked in at the moment under a big area of high pressure, which means nothing's going to change in any great hurry. And if we follow the isobars back to the origin of the cold air, it comes all the way to the UK from Siberia. It's milder to the south around the Med, but anyone heading in this direction isn't in for a holiday weather-wise in the next few days. Deep areas of low pressure, courtesy of the cold air sinking down, meeting the warmer waters of the Med, will mean some pretty dramatic storms, some very strong winds and some heavy rain. For the UK, the story stays settled, very cold and frosty for the remainder of this week. We start our day on Thursday widely, even in the towns and cities, with temperatures at -4 and -5. Some of the Scottish glens could be looking at around -10. The clear skies mean there'll be plenty of sunshine from the word go. A beautiful looking day in the making. Some areas will pick up a little more cloud, and that cloud in turn may just produce some snow showers. Western Scotland, I think, seeing some thicker cloud, but here essentially remaining fine. The east, however, benefiting from the best of the sunshine, and come the afternoon our temperatures should push up a degree or so above freezing. It's eastern England, however, with some cloud coming in off the North Sea, that we may see a dusting of snow affecting the likes of Durham into Lincolnshire, parts of East Anglia through Thursday afternoon. For the south still, temperatures through the far southeast unlikely to get above freezing. It may feel a little more bearable though on Thursday, as the wind will be just somewhat lighter than Wednesday, but we will need to keep a close eye on the likes of Kent overnight into Friday. A risk of some showers running in here, bringing a covering of snow for first thing Friday. Essentially Friday though, another fine sunny day, clear blue skies, but remaining bitterly cold. The weekend is where the complicated element of our weather starts to kick in though, because we get a contender to the cold air with an area of low pressure trying to come in from the Atlantic, bringing in milder conditions. It's just how successful this low is at the moment though that is in question, and where the boundary between the two falls is where we may see the risk of some disruption. At the moment, if the mild air gets into the west, we may see some snowfall briefly, but that should turn back to rain and it will become milder. Central and eastern areas though, where the cold air may stick around, could see a significant period of snow, possibly enough to cause some disruption, and it also looks like it will remain cold here. As I said, there's a good deal of uncertainty about that element of the forecast for the weekend at the moment. Always a good idea to keep up to date with the latest forecast on our website.